Hi there, students. To pontificate. Pontificate. This is to talk to people or talk to someone in a pompous and dogmatic way. What the hell does that mean? Okay, it's when somebody starts talking to you about how you've got to do something in this way, that they know much better than you, and this is the only way of doing it. Yeah, and they give you a lecture about it, and they go on and on. You know, when your mind switches off and they're going, rah, 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 rah. Yeah, to pontificate. Let's see. Politicians are always pontificating about the things that we ought to do and the things that we ought not to do. Religious leaders are pontificating about how we must give money to them to support their good works. The teacher is always pontificating. I am always here on video pontificating about the meaning of some useless word or another useless word. And I'm saying this is the way that it's done, and I know better than you. And this is the only way to do it properly. Pompous and dogmatic. Pompous, snobbish. Dogmatic, unwilling to accept change. Or the headmaster speaking to the children in a school, and he's pontificating about what they have to do to get good exam results. Or maybe my dad is always pontificating about the fact that I shouldn't stay out late and I shouldn't drink and I need to behave like a proper gentleman. Okay? So let's look at the origin of this word, to pontificate. Well, firstly, the pontiff, double F at the end, is the Pope. Yeah, the Pope in the Vatican in Rome. Okay? And a pontificate can also mean the period of time that the Pope has his job, that he acts as Pope. Yeah? The pontificate of Pius XII. Yeah? You can also use it like that. But it's a more technical word. And this big-headed, snobbish, self-important speech that somebody gives you about what you've got to do is much more common. Okay, this word comes from pontifex, which is a Latin word talking about the leader of the college of priests, the leader of the school of priests. So he's the headmaster of the priest university in Rome, if you like. Okay, that was in old times when the Romans were about. So this would be priests of the Roman religion. Okay, let's see. To pontificate, a regular verb. He pontificated for hours. He has pontificated about this matter many times. Now, formality. Okay, this word is not an informal word by any means. I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10 in formality. Notice, you could use this in an informal conversation, but you need to use it in some sort of joke or laughing at someone because they are so pompous. Okay? Yeah, there's Boris Johnson pontificating on the telly again. Yeah? This is, if somebody is pontificating, you're being critical, you're criticising them. Let's see, if you use this in a formal document, it will sound very good, and it's where it's most suitable. Although, as I said, it's really quite critical. Yeah, it's criticising somebody. So, politicians are always pontificating, religious leaders, your English teacher, the headmaster, yeah? Blah, 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 you've got to do this like this, and I know better than you. Okay, so, pontificate, yeah? To pontificate, to talk on and on. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To pontificate.